today, guys?
Beautiful day.
Yeah, beautiful Sunday.
Sunday, family day.
Kain daw kami ng after inuwang they have garlic. What's this?
Garlic.
This is like chili.
Oh, chili.
Yeah.
Oops.
You want me to order for you?
Soda?
You want me to order for you?
I'll go with this.
No, you choose to try the hot stone. It's like the special here.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's this one.
Okay.
Or this one.
Okay.
But this one has like combination of like names, so you can try it all.
Okay. Sabi niya, ito daw yung best seller dito. So, kailangan mag-try ako ng iba.
You want anything to drink?
Coffee. Yung for 100,000 Vietnamese dong, so more like nasa 226. Tapos bumili ako ng kape. 60. Ang dami yung 30,000. Pero yung price niya is 60 pesos. 68 pesos. Yeah, it's raining. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's cheaper if you cook it yourself.
Do I have to put this now here?
I think you should put the beef into first, so it's cooked.
Yes.
If you like the raw, do it later.
No. Thank you.
I like it soft.
That's why they separate the noodles.
I guess so.
Oh,
I think it must be really hot. Oh yeah, the garlic's great.
garlic guys.
It's a little, yeah. Maybe hot though.
Try daw muna natin bago haluin.
It's actually very hot, so you got this. What's about that?
Sarap. Very Pinoy. That's fine. Thank you. So, ito na yung kape ko. 68 pesos sa Pinas. Kain mo na ako. Hindi. Pero sarap. Ginagawa lansang sampagita yung tea. Ayun. Nahanap ko yung lansang sampagita.
If you like spicy, huh?
It's not that spicy.
You
I'm
like
like,
spicy, huh?
yeah. I'm liking it now. Sampagita, guys. This one tastes like a flower. Yeah, Jasmine, in the Philippines, we call it sampagita. Yeah. It's our national flower. Yeah. Yeah. So yun nga, tama ako. Jasmine daw. Sampagita, lasang sampagita. So ganito yung restaurant dito. Hindi siya restaurant eh, parang restaurant. Kasi gusto kumain dyan at pupunta ng the best ang po dito. So yun, babalik na kami sa bahay. Sulit. Palibre muna tayo kasi wala akong pera. 250, ay hindi. Almost 300 pesos. Breakfast, lunch na ito guys. Coffee. Ito ay 60, 68. Tapos ito, 226 pesos. Magala pa daw mamaya. Abangan natin. Labas daw kami. Hindi ko alam sa kami pupunta na naman. Wow!
Oh.
Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta eh. Sama lang ako. Wala kasi akong pera. Sama lang ako sa kanila kasi pag di ako sumama, gutom ako, te! Wala akong pera. Wala akong card. Uy, may KFC dito guys, oh. Last time, tinatawanan nila ako kasi umorder ako ng food sa Grab. Tapos tumatawa sila, di ko alam kung bakit. Tapos biglang sabi nila, nandito na daw ako sa Vietnam. Tapos KFC pa rin ang kinakain ko na nakakain ko naman sa Pinas. Dapat daw trinay ko yung iba. So may point naman, may point. Tama. So ngayon, try natin. Iba't ibang uri ng pho. Pho! Galing guys, oh. Refuse the chemical pearls dahil sa atin.
They have like
Ano ipapalit?
tapioca or bubble
Ah, handmade tapioca pearl. Enough with that. Go with this.
Maybe that brown sugar is nice.
Hey, don't get this.
Yeah.
This guy is gonna make it for you.
And this is it.
This is it.
Wow. Galing oh, milk tea guys.
Oh fuck! Look at these ants here. What the hell?
Kasi it's sweet. So sweet. Yeah.
Hell no.
Galing. Hindi ko pa rin maintindihan kung saan siya gawa.
Guys, let's try the lucky one.
What's that?
It's like lucky draw. It's kind of like fortune cookie, I think.
Uh-huh. Sa bunot daw doon, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pulot ko 89. Ito siya. What do you call this?
It's like a fortune. Yeah.
Fortune.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Interesting. I
Fortune
wanna
daw
add
siya.
one.
Fortune. Tapos, hindi ka doon.
Maybe I'm
Ano
getting
na
another one.
mapili mong number
Yeah.
dito, hanapin mo
Sa
yung
number 3.
dyan, yan, and then kukunin mo kung anong fortune dyan. Yeah. Is it the fortune there is different or same?
Oh, it's different.
Oh.
Yeah, so I can learn another fortune. Every moment is a fresh beginning. Alright, one more. Fresh beginning, one more.
Ako kagabi, makain kami sa gilid. Di ko na malayan may pumasok na ipis sa pants ko. Eh ngayon, nakaano ako. Jogging pants. Loose kasi yung kagabi. Anyway, ito siya. Food store.
So it's they having like a promotion for Women's Day, so they gave us some topping to go
Wow.
and try our drinks.
Yeah.
So sweet.
How about no, not none for me?
Woman!
What the hell? That's not cool.
They have like beans.
Hey guys.
Fresh belly.
First day.
Right.
I'm gonna try the boba. Ito yung boba na sinasabi nila. It's like handmade boba. Lasang 39ers. Okay. Yan daw, grab. Let's go. Diyan yung grab. Tatain na ako, te, kung ano-ano kinakain namin. Diba ba?
So happy.
Okay, go.
Yes! Whew, it's hot! This white? Balik na kami sa lungga. Ay, salamat.
Chị bước kẽn không chị?
Baka magsasasakyan. Seatbelt. Oops.
Nice.
Hi. Oh wow, that's hard.
Huh? How was the fun?
It's so great.
Different, right?
Yeah, different. It's like boiling in your mouth.
That shit was like 2 minutes to come out, but it took us 20 minutes to eat.
Yeah.
It was so fucking hot.
Amazing.
Boiling.
It never